Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to make your own disinfecting wipes at home with bleach, and of course you probably have these ingredients at home. You're going to start out with paper towel, bleach, water, and just one of those empty disinfecting wipes containers. If you don't have that, don't worry, you can use a plastic bag. You want to take a roll of paper towels, trim it down so it fits inside like that, and then I'm going to cut it off so it will fit inside your container. Now, the good thing about this is we don't want to waste anything, especially in these times. So the top part that you have, you won't throw that away. You can put that next to your sink and use that to dry off your hands, and that's a really great way to conserve. For this, we are going to start now by putting 3 tablespoons of bleach into 2 cups of water. Really mix that good. Next step, you're going to take that mixture and you're going to pour it over the paper towels inside the container and get it really soaked. This container is a little smaller, so you're not going to use all of the solution. You can save some for what I'm going to show you next. Once it's all soaked, you're going to take out the tube inside, pull it up like that, and that's going to start bringing the paper towels up through the middle. Put that lid back on, and there you have your disinfecting wipes that you need to sanitize around the house. If you don't have one of those containers, just take some paper towels, put it in a dish like that, and really soak it all sides with the mixture that we just made, that bleach mixture we just made. Soak it up really good. Take your big Ziploc baggie, stick it in there, and there you have your disinfecting wipes that you can take with you as you go. Of course, I like to use gloves when I touch bleach. If you don't use them, just make sure you wash your hands when you're done, but this is a great way to disinfect all those surfaces around your house. Bring the baggie with you if you have to do those essential errands in the car. So as soon as you get in the car, you can wipe down things, the handles, etc. So thank you so much for watching. We've made other essentials that you need right now, including a DIY mask, DIY hand wipes, DIY hand sanitizers. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.